In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video in Google Docs. Inserting videos directly into your Google Doc can make your document more engaging and interactive, especially if you're preparing a presentation or want to share multimedia content seamlessly. I'm going to guide you through each step of the process to ensure everything is crystal clear. First things first, you'll want to have your Google Docs document open and ready to go. This is where all the magic happens. So, if you don't already have a document open, go ahead and create one, or navigate to an existing document. Once you're in the document, you'll need to decide exactly where in the text you would like to place the video. Having a clear spot picked out helps the flow of your content stay smooth and logical. Next, you'll need the URL of your video. Most commonly, your video will be hosted on platforms like YouTube or Google Drive. Simply go to the platform where your video is hosted and copy the URL. Ensure you have the entire URL copied correctly, as this will be critical for the embedding process. Back in your Google Doc, position your cursor at the spot where you would like to insert the video. Now comes the revolutionary part. Type the @ symbol and immediately follow it with the video URL you just copied. The combination of these will trigger a smart action in Google Docs. After typing the @ symbol and pasting the URL, a pop-up should appear on your screen. This is Google Docs prompting you to complete the action of embedding the video. What you need to do next is press the Tab key. With this one keystroke, your video is embedded in the document as a preview card. This preview card serves as a dynamic link to the video and integrates it neatly into your document. Finally, you can interact with the video directly from your Google Doc. Simply hover your mouse over the card and you will see a small preview. If you are satisfied and ready to view, you can click the card to play the video directly within the document. This functionality lets anyone who has access to the document view the video without needing to leave the page, making the document more interactive and engaging. And that's it! You've successfully inserted a video into your Google Doc. This feature is a fantastic way to incorporate multimedia into your documents and can be incredibly beneficial for enhancing reports, research papers, or any collaborative project. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials.